Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Well, I finally did it. I've been threatening to get rid of the GoPro for so long now because it's such garbage and shuts off all the time. So I've finally gone and got the DJI Action 3. There it is, filming on the brand new camera. So we'll see how it fares in comparison. I haven't had a chance to use it. This is actually the first video I'm doing with it. So when we finally get to some action, we'll see how it fares in comparison to the GoPro. As long as it doesn't keep shutting off, then I'll be happy. And I'm coming to you from my home for the next probably few months. I was showing you the camper that I bought, and now I'm going to be leaving in under a week for the big trip. So I'm going to be heading down the west coast. I've got the Whistler Pass, which is the epic pass that Vail owns, and they own a bunch of mountains in Washington, around Lake Tahoe, Colorado, Park City. So I'm going to hit up all those, and because I'm going to be down in California, I'll probably hit the coast, try and do some surfing, and maybe even head down into Mexico.
I'm taking this thing to Mexico.
Let's just see where the road takes us. So I've just been trying to get this camper ready. I haven't really been doing too much to it. Added a few shelves. There's a shelf there, some shelves there. Added some fancy ambient lighting. Had a friend make me some blackout curtains. So they're just Velcroed on for the privacy. And as well, I've bought the Delta EcoFlow battery bank. It's got oodles of power, since mostly I'll just be using it for lights. I can't figure out how to make the actual lights in here work. They run off of a 12 volt that plugs into the back of the truck, but it only works when the truck was running, so that doesn't do me any good. So it had a 7-pin trailer hitch. And so I just took off the wires and figured, well, I'll just add it to a regular plug. And all that did was give me some really dim lights. So I tried attaching it to the cigarette lighter since it's 12 volt, and that didn't do it either. So I'm not sure what the trick is. Maybe you guys can tell me. If I pass by an RV dealer, maybe I'll just stop in and say hi and see if they can set me straight on figure out how to run the lights. Otherwise, I haven't got too much more to do before I take off. I've got one more day of work and then pack up, and we're going to hit the road. So I just wanted to give you guys a quick little update. And otherwise, stay tuned because the action's about to start. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe.